using AND with if-else statement. Using AND with conditions. We can use AND with if-else statements to check the conditions. The conditions will be true if all the conditions are true, but if one of the conditions is false, it will return false. Let's see how. First, go to brackets. Alright, now I'll show you how you can use AND with conditions. Create any variable such as 10 equal 10, another variable 5 equal 5. Wonderful. Now let's use if statement to show you how to use AND. For example, we can say if 10 greater or equal 5 and 5 equal 10 colon. So remember, when using AND, all of the conditions should be true to work, but if one of them is false, it will return false, and it will print the statement of else. Okay, now print a string of true, else, colon, print a string of false. Then try that in terminal. Cool, as you can see here, it prints false. Do you know why? Because one of the condition is false, which is 5 is equal 10, which is wrong. So if we try to change it to make it true, such as 5 is lower than or equal 10, it will print true. I hope you got that. Thank you very much, guys.